My name is Michael Mizell, and this is my ES50 final project. The project is a light show that takes place on an 8x8 grid of 64 LEDs, or light-emitting diodes. Each one of these squares is a set of light-emitting diodes, and each square consists of a red, blue, and green light source. So each square can make those colors as well as any color that can be made as a combination of red, green, and blue. I have this board placed next to a couple of mirrors so that way during a light show it appears that there are more grids than just one. The grid is controlled by these 3 pins. The red pin is a constant power supply with energy of 5 volts, and the yellow pin is a information pin. The electricity that flows through this yellow wire supplies the information about the color of the LED, the sequence of the LEDs that are supposed to light up, and their brightness. All of that electricity, after flowing through the board, goes to ground, and all of these pins are connected to a device called an Arduino. You can see here that the red 5-volt power pin is plugged in. Right next to it is the ground pin, and this yellow wire here is connected into pin 6 of the Arduino. So pin 6 is responsible for supplying all of the information to the board. You can also see here that there are another set of wires plugged into the Arduino. One's into ground and one's into this pin called A0. These wires go into the audio jack of any device like a cell phone or a laptop. And the reason that that's there is the Arduino is reading the voltage signal associated with a song, and that is going to affect the light show that's going on. So what'll happen is you're playing a song on your device and the Arduino is reading the intensity of the voltage associated with that song. And the Arduino is programmed to make the NeoPixel board brighter during some animations when the voltage goes higher. And the NeoPixel board is also encoded to change the color depending on the voltage of the signal. Specifically, my light show has 6 animations. The first animation has the brightness depend on the voltage. The second animation has the color depend on the voltage, and the last 4 animations have the brightness depend on the voltage. For the second animation, where the color depends on the voltage, a low voltage is blue, a medium voltage is green, and a high voltage is red. So the way that the Arduino is actually encoded is it's plugged into this laptop here, and here is the final project code. The biggest challenge was definitely here in the code, making sure that the code was able to properly read the voltage signal and scale the brightness in a way that made sense, as well as just coding the animations themselves and ensuring that the code was efficient. I say that the inspiration for this project was just having seen light shows in the past and wanting to do one for myself. So that wraps up my final project. There's a demonstration coming up here, and I hope you enjoy it.